Oh, what a wonderful day today. Enjoyed lots with you all kids. Hope you like it, hope you enjoyed it and you have some wonderful experience. So you must have received this gift. So would like to explain you how to fix it, how to use it. So please go through very well, understand well and then use it and explore your. This is the gift for the, plus your creativity. So removing the pieces, observe carefully and they are the stiff enough, so don't worry lots. So just remove as I am removing. So they are the three pieces and between there are the small two pieces what you have to throw it. So remove them, they are not a part of your work. So removing and see, this is the kind of easel and the canvas. You can take any small pokey things, not bigger one, please mind it. So I have made these things specially for my little artist to make them more creative, more explorer in the artwork. So they, I always try best whatever can be possible. So just fixing this, you say carefully the this two pokey things to be put it in the holes where you can find it. Hold it carefully, put it inside. Might be if I don't think so they will be loose, but if you feel you may adjust them with the glue. Okay, but here I am not using it. मैं कुछ भी glue नहीं लगा रहा हूँ. Many students have attended and have supported me, and I feel this support to be continue for our upcoming 25th years of the art class. So you will definitely support to me and we will explore many new art forms, new way of the art and many interesting things exploring getting the next year. तो हमारा बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एंड एक बहुत ही न्यू वे ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस गोइंग टू कम. So wanted to make that special. So if you have any suggestion, if you have any idea, do share with me. See, this is a one small piece of a canvas what you can resize by cutting according to your like dislike. मैं उसको अभी यही same space पे use कर रहा हूँ and making a small art to show you how the overall art experience with this kit. You have a 5 piece in your pack. So remember to use them wisely. You won't get this in a market because this have been manufactured specially for the It's Art World student, not for anyone else. So you won't get it anywhere, you can't make it easily. So remember, आप पहले बहुत अच्छे से आर्ट आइडियाज़ को सोचिएगा, then you make it. Yeah, this card is well enough to have it brush pen, sketch pen, color pencil, oil pastels, acrylic, even molding clay or any other way, because it's stiff enough where you can use any kind of color. I have researched lots for that. मैंने use किया हुआ है. I have been explored that all. One by one we'll post it the different art ideas on it, so you can use it that. So stay tuned, join me and continue your support. So look at this, I'm making the cute cat what I have explained you in the class also. If you remember car and cat idea, so that same idea maybe help you. So you can make it your idea in anyhow. There are so simple art idea hai, so I'm not willing to give it the lots of details one. So going ahead, keep watching that and continue.